Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a few different ways that you can start to make money online working from home. So if you're interested in learning how to make some extra money on the side or even a full-time income working from home, then I'm going to be sharing that in this video. But before I go any further, I just want to mention if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get into the first one. So this is going to be a website called Fiverr. Now this is a freelancing website where you can provide services online and get paid for them in return. You can provide any number of services ranging from web design, graphic design, video editing, photo editing, website development, and the list goes on and on and on. So in order to get started, all you have to do is just go to fiverr.com, you just sign up, you create your profile, and then you list the services that you're going to be providing. And when somebody contacts you to provide a service, you're going to provide that service and then you get paid in exchange. Now another website that's similar to Fiverr is a website called Upwork. Now it's the same deal. You sign up with Upwork, you list the services that you're going to be providing, and people contact you. They request your service, you provide it, and then you get paid. Now, if you guys don't know how to provide any of the services that I mentioned earlier, I recommend that you take the time to learn one of these services. Maybe invest into an online course that teaches you how to do it, or there's YouTube videos that you can even watch that shows you how to learn all these types of skills. So I recommend investing some time and learning them so you can then turn around and use that skill to start earning you money. Okay, so that's the first one. So the second method is by selling online courses. You can make a passive income from selling knowledge that you can condense and put it into a course. Let's say, for example, you know how to play the guitar. You can record a course where you're showing somebody the basics on how they can start to learn to play the guitar as a beginner. So maybe you're just showing somebody what all the strings are, the notes, how to hold the guitar. And let's say, for example, that you're charging $50 for people to enroll into that course. If you get 10 people to enroll into your course in a month, that's an extra $500 in a month. All from a course that you created one time. Now this is just one example. I mean, you can sell any kind of course as long as people are willing to pay for it. Now there's a number of people who are making six figures a year just by selling online courses. So this is a method to consider if you're somebody who likes to teach and is very knowledgeable in a certain area. And if you guys are wondering what website that you can use to host an online course, I recommend Teachable. All you have to do is just go to Teachable, you sign up to become a teacher, you're going to upload your course on their platform, and you charge the price that you want to charge people to enroll into your course. They handle all the transactions. They do charge a transaction fee. Okay, so the third method to make money working from home is by selling stock photos. So if you have access to a DSLR camera or even the newer smartphone, a lot of smartphones, they take pretty good pictures nowadays. You can take great looking photos and sell them on stock photo websites. Now, a great website that you can do this on is called Shutterstock.com. So whenever somebody sees your photo, it's going to have a watermark over it. Now, if somebody wanted to use your photo without the watermark, they would have to pay for the rights to use it. And you would be getting paid what's called royalties. So every time somebody pays for the rights to use your photo, you're going to earn royalties from it. Now, if you have a really good photo, you can make a residual income if multiple people are paying for the rights to use it. Now, this is another way that you can use to earn a passive income. But I don't expect this to make you enough money to be able to quit your job, but it is some extra money on the side. Now, the cool thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to selling stock photos, but you can also sell stock footage, stock music, and even vector art. So if you can create any of this content, then this might be a good option for you. Okay, so the fourth method is going to be dropshipping. So you can make money by finding products online at a cheaper price and posting them on your own website for a higher price. See, most people don't know the real value of products. I think that's why other people are able to earn hundreds of thousands of dollars online with dropshipping alone. So the way that they're able to earn this much is that first they create a website, usually through a platform called Shopify, and then they find a niche that they want to focus their website around. So if their website is all about fishing, they might post products like fishing poles, nets, tackle boxes, stuff that's related to fishing gear. So a lot of people who use dropshipping, they go to a website like AliExpress, which is a Chinese online wholesale website, and they look for those kind of products and they list that product on their website for a higher price. Now whenever somebody purchases that product off of their website, all they do is just go to AliExpress and they order that product, and instead of having it shipped to them, they have it shipped directly to the customer. So the benefits about using dropshipping is that you don't have to invest a lot of money up front into a bunch of inventory that you don't even know if you're going to sell or not. You don't have to have any inventory taking up space in your garage or in your closet. So that's something to consider if you guys want to go with this method. Now the last way that you can start to make money from home is through a method called affiliate marketing. Now this is also a great way that you can earn a passive income. Now if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're getting paid when you refer people to products and they buy those products. Now the difference between affiliate marketing is that you first need to build an audience to be able to sell to that audience. So with affiliate marketing, it does usually take a little bit more time to start making sales. Because if you're just spamming affiliate links all over the internet and hoping that somebody clicks on your link and buys that product, that's not really a good strategy. The reason why is, why would people click on a link and buy a product that somebody's recommending to them that they don't even know? That's why you first need to build an audience and deliver value by creating content that's addressing a problem that your target audience is having before they feel comfortable in buying a product that you're promoting to them. Now, I talk a lot about affiliate marketing in other videos that I've done in the past, and if you guys want to check them out, feel free. But if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, where I explain it in more detail, I'm going to leave a link for a free ebook download called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. So I go over what affiliate marketing is and how you can start to earn a passive income with it in this ebook. So I recommend you guys check that out. It's completely free if you guys want to read it. So I hope you guys learned something new in this video. Hopefully you got value from it. Maybe a little light bulb went off on top of your head. And I hope you guys take action and start learning how you can make money online instead of working at a regular 9-to-5 job. And if you guys are interested and you're ready to start your own online business, then you can check out the first link in the top of the description to learn how to get started. Well, that's it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.